The Amazfit GTR 4 has hidden features that will change your experience, from a customizable AMOLED display to battery-saving tricks that last longer. It tracks your fitness with AI-powered insights and even alerts you if your SpO2 levels are low. But here's the secret. There's one feature most people don't use, and if you're not aware of it, you're missing out. Want to know what it is? AMOLED display with unique customizations. The Amazfit GTR 4 comes with an AMOLED display that's designed to blow you away. The colors are vibrant, the resolution is crisp, and everything you see on the screen looks sharp and beautiful. But wait, this watch has a secret up its sleeve. Beyond the standard display options, the GTR 4 offers a hidden customization feature that lets you personalize your screen layout, animations, and even shortcuts. While you might think you're just dealing with a basic AMOLED screen, the real magic happens when you unlock this hidden setting. It's not just about looks, it's about making the display uniquely yours. If you haven't unlocked this hidden customization yet, you're not getting the full potential of your watch. Want to find out how to make your display stand out from the crowd? Extended battery life with power-saving mode. Now let's talk about the Amazfit GTR 4's battery life. It's already impressive, offering up to 14 days of use with regular tracking. But here's the twist. There's a power-saving mode that takes battery life to a whole new level. Think you've seen it all? Think again. With just a few settings changes, this power-saving mode boosts your battery life in ways you didn't think were possible. This feature is perfect for outdoor adventures, long trips, or just those days when you need your watch to last longer. If you haven't discovered this mode yet, you're missing out on an extra layer of convenience. Ready to extend your battery life like never before? Advanced fitness tracking with AI assistance. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Amazfit GTR 4 already offers all the essentials: heart rate monitoring, step tracking, and detailed sleep analysis. But what sets this smartwatch apart is its hidden AI-powered fitness assistant. This isn't just a basic fitness tracker. The AI analyzes your workout patterns and provides personalized tips to improve your performance, help you recover faster, and keep you on track to hit your fitness goals. From running to cycling, it adapts to your routine and makes smarter suggestions. If you haven't activated this hidden AI assistant yet, you're not fully tapping into its potential. Want to get personalized advice for your next workout? Blood oxygen monitoring, SpO2, with alerts. Amazfit GTR 4 isn't just about the basics. It's about ensuring your health is always a priority. The watch comes with SpO2 monitoring to track your blood oxygen levels, giving you a quick insight into your respiratory health. But here's where it gets interesting. If your SpO2 levels fall below a certain threshold, the watch doesn't just let it slide. It sends you an instant alert. This could be a game changer if you're at risk of fatigue or more serious health issues. If you haven't enabled this alert system yet, you're missing out on a key health safeguard. Ready to make sure you're always breathing easy? Personalized watch faces with hidden themes. We all know that the GTR 4 comes with customizable watch faces, allowing you to tailor your watch to match your style. But here's the catch. It's not just about swapping out a basic watch face for a standard one. The GTR 4 has a set of secret, hidden themes that go beyond the normal customizations. These themes are designed to give your watch a completely different feel, from sleek modern looks to classic analog styles. They're not visible at first glance, but once you find them, they'll give your watch a level of personalization that most people won't even know exists. If you haven't found these secret themes, you're missing out on a whole new level of customization. Want to make your watch truly one of a kind? That's it for today's deep dive into the Amazfit GTR 4's hidden features. If you found these secrets useful, make sure to unlock them on your own watch and take it to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Tubify for more exclusive tech insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.